Hey guys, so tomorrow is the big day for Nvidia. The Nvidia earnings come out, and I think they're gonna crush it like always. I don't have any worries there. Of course, you have to be a little bit cautious here and there of whatever happens. And after they report, there's always gonna be that huge spike, or either negative or positive. I think they're predicting like 12% either way. Most likely, I think it's going to be a positive report and blow out the earnings and beat on everything. But there are a few other factors involved. For of course, when you're holding Nvidia, there's just there could be delays in the chips and different things like that they have. There's different models that are coming out, and we should see more insight on that when the report tomorrow. And it looks like it's after the bell tomorrow, I'm pretty sure. And I mean, they should beat on guidance, and their outlook should be great. I mean, as far as that's concerned. But I mean, you could be looking at when the report maybe 145 if they do really well, or who knows, if they do bad, then it could be down to trading in the 110. But I'm not really worried about it in the short term. I think it's gonna even down. I mean, down the road, the next 3 years, they're gonna really do well. They don't have really much competition anywhere that I see that's that's affecting them in any way. But I mean, there's the different chips that they're working on that could have some play some factor into the scope of things. And yeah, you just have to be wary of that, like what's gonna come down the pipe, if they're gonna have some hangups with the like supply chain or anything like that in China. Anything that goes on there, but I think they'll be fine. I'm just lately I just been buying, just dollar cost averaging as much as I can, and just doing my DCA, and then having some lump sums here and there before these earnings, which is kind of risky and crazy in itself. But that's my plan. So I'm just trying to build up as many shares as I can, and then just keep adding every day. But I'm kind of slowing it down a bit and just keeping to my DCA. And yeah, that's my plan. Well, we'll see. I don't know what your guys' plan is as far as the video. I know, like myself, I'm a major bull on the video. I don't see how anybody could be bearish on the video. Honestly, I don't see that's the case. I mean, if you short the stock, it's more of a major risk. If you try to short it, which is crazy, it's something I would never do. So I'm just in it for the long run. Just buy and hold. It's it's one of, I think it is like the number one stock that I'm really focusing on lately. Before it was like Tesla and other stocks like that, but really I've been focusing on building up my Nvidia shares, because I think that's the AI is just the beginning, and there's gonna be so much more to come down the road. But we'll see what happens tomorrow. I'm just playing it by ear, and just when the earnings drops tomorrow, and then it'll really hit the stock one way or the other. But I think it's gonna be positive. So I'm not gonna be crazy about looking after hours. I'll give it some time and see how things play out. Because like everybody else, we're all just kind of anxious that's what's gonna happen. So like the majority of the analysts are giving the stock a strong buy, a buy. Some are hold, but like 90% of the people are giving this a buy. I I mean, to hold, to buy, to strong buy, the analysts are all in that camp. I don't even think there's anybody in the sell camp at all that's analysts. There isn't really. So they have some price targets in Nvidia. It's their average is about 137 a share is the average. And the high is 200 for right now. And all these analysts are all rating it, maintaining their rating as a buy or outperform or either strong buy. But yeah, my focus really on knowledge of Nvidia is really the overall AI as far as their chips are concerned. I know there's different models that are coming out. I have to research them some more, but it's just a blind buy. You can almost, if you know something about AI stocks, or you even know anything, if you're not under a rock, you know AI, that Nvidia is just cranking out those AI to help build up that infrastructure that all those companies need, like Meta and Google, X. They're all buying those chips from Nvidia. Basically, that's almost like 90% of the market. It's Nvidia chips that can handle that sector. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. And yeah, I know it's gonna be good no matter what. Even if it is bad, then you can just always just take that as an opportunity to buy more Nvidia and just keep adding to your DCA. So if it's a bad report, which I highly doubt, then you have that opportunity when it's like, if the fundamentals of the company are still strong and everything, that's just some fluke earnings, that's your time you can even buy even more. But I think it's just going to run up after earnings. I think honestly, but who knows? Who's to say what's going to happen? It could go the other way, but I highly doubt it. I think they're going to crush on earnings like they have so many times before. And who knows? It could be the catalyst to the run up the 200, and then from there, who knows? It could repeat back to 1,000. Do another split. I think if you have like how many shares you have, you catch that next wave split, you'll be doing really good. And then we could have another AI-led bull run, and then AI could be leading the charge of that. And man, the shares that you have could be worth so much more down the road with all the splits. And the people that are in the video like 2 years ago, man, they're sitting pretty in of how many splits and how much it's run up, which it's amazing. What can I say? But tomorrow is the day, and that's when the rocket ship lifts off tomorrow. So I hope you have your ticket and you're ready, prepared for liftoff tomorrow, blast off. I have my tickets, and it's already produced fruit for me already, so I think it's gonna even be more fruitful down the road. So I'm ready. I have my bags packed and ready to go for takeoff tomorrow. And I think if it's after earnings, I think that's what it is. It's the shift leaves at 4 p.m. Eastern time tomorrow. Ready to rocket and lift off. So yeah, we'll see. I gotta research some more about the chips, the different chips that they make and everything like that. But I'm more like overall tech guy, just looking into following the video because it's just a blind, easy play. I like some people, I was kind of late to the party because I was just so focused on Tesla and in Palantir, but I finally woke up to Nvidia. I should have woke up a long time ago, but here I am. I'm a Nvidia fanboy, so I'm ready to go. So tomorrow's the day. Yeah, so if you like this video, hit like and subscribe. And I'm ready for liftoff tomorrow. And like everything, I'm not a financial advisor. This is just my opinion. Hope you like this video and subscribe, because I want to have more people on board to this rocket ship, and so I can talk more about finance and everything like that. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe. Greatly appreciate it. That'd be awesome. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.